motherfucking happiness.
Hiya. So what I'm going to show you is I clean behind the fridge every Sunday with my feather duster. So I just get behind the racks to just get rid of any dust build up that is there. Go all the way down. I'll give it quite a good hard brush just to make sure everything is off. And that's how I clean the back of the fridge, to make sure no build up or anything is there, any dust, which will stop your fridge freezer from working properly. And that's just with my feather duster. Okay, in a bit.